In this video, we are going to solve the questions given in 7th standard maths workbook. Under term 1, unit 2, measurement. Worksheet number 3. Multiple choice questions. First question, area of the parallelogram is 238 cm square. If base is 17 cm, then its height is what? Okay, we know the area of parallelogram formula. That is base into height. In the question they given the base, that is 17 centimeter. We need to find what is height. So substitute the values of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is 238. Then the base is 17. We don't know the height, so keep here. 238 divided by 17 equal to h. While cancelling this, we get 17 is 17, remaining 6, 68. 17 into 4, we get 68. So h is equal to 14 centimeter. Answer is option C, 14 centimeter. Second question, in a rhombus, the diagonals are 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Then the area of rhombus is. See, in the question they given the values of diagonals, so we have to find the area of rhombus. We know the formula of area of rhombus, that is half into d1 into d2. We know we need to find the area. So substitute the values of d1 into d2. d1 and d2. Half into d1 is we have 7 and d2 is we have 4. Then cancel it by second table. 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. Then answer is 7 into 2, we get 14 centimeter square. Option A is correct answer. Third question, in a trapezium, if the sum of the parallel sides is 16 centimeter and the area is 48 centimeter square, then its height is, area of trapezium formula is half into a plus b into h. In the question they given sum of parallel side is 16 centimeter. So we know the value of the sides. A plus b equal to 16 centimeter. A plus b equal to 16 centimeter. We need to find the height. So area of the trapezium is 48 centimeter. Substitute the values. Equal to half into a plus b is 16. 16 into height. Cancel it by second table. 2 1 is 2. 2 8 is 16. Then 8 come this side. Equal to h. Cancel it by 8th table. 8 1 is 8. 8 6 is 48. So h is equal to 6 centimeter. Option B is the correct answer. Fourth question. The perimeter of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are x centimeter and y centimeter is. We have to find the perimeter of parallelogram with x and y adjacent sides. See, this is x and this side also x. When this side is y, this also y. To find the perimeter of parallelogram, we need to add the length of the parallelogram. That is x plus y plus y. You get 2x plus 2y. Take 2 as common. 2 into x plus y centimeter. Option C is the correct answer. Fifth question. In a rhombus, length of the one diagonal is 6 centimeter. Another diagonal is thrice the other. Then its area is, see, write the data given in the question. First one, diagonal one is 6 centimeter. Then they said another diagonal is thrice the other. So D2 is equal to 3 into 6. We get 18 centimeter. Then we need to find the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2. which is equal to half, and substitute the value of d1 and d2, that is 6 into 18. We get, cancel it by second table, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, then we get 18 into 3, we get 54 centimeter square. Answer is option D. Sixth question, in a parallelogram, the base is 2 times its height. If the height is 5 centimeter, then the area is what? See, in the question they given base is 2 times its height. So, B equal to 2 into H. Then they given height as 5 centimeter. H equal to 5 centimeter. Then substitute the value of 5 here. So, we get B equal to 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeter. We know the values of base and height, so we can easily find the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is base into height. So 10 into 5, we get 50 square centimeter. Option C is the correct answer. Seventh question, area of the parallelogram 64 square centimeter. If its height is 8 centimeter, then base is, in the question we have to find the base of the parallelogram. We know the formula. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. In the question they given the area of parallelogram as 64 square centimeter. Then the base, we need to find base, keep it as B. Then the height is 8, keep B there. So we get 64 by 8 equal to B. 8 1 is 8, 8 8s are 64. So B equal to 8 centimeter. Answer is option A, 8 centimeter. Eighth question, the area of the parallelogram is 144 square centimeter. If its base and height are equal, then the base is, see from the question we have to find the base of the parallelogram. They given a one hint, that is base and height are equal. B is equal to H. So write area of parallelogram is 144 square centimeter. B into H is equal to 144. Here base and height are equal. So substitute the value of H as B. So B into B, we get B square equal to 144. While taking square root of 144, we get the answer as B equal to 12 centimeter. So option B is the correct answer. Ninth question, a park is in the shape of isosceles trapezium whose parallel sides are 120 meter and 70 meter. Distance between the parallel sides 50 meter. Then its area is. Formula for area of trapezium is half into A plus B into H. In the question they given the AB value as parallel sides 120 meter and 70 meter. So substitute it. 70 plus 120, and the distance between the parallel sides is 50. Then height is 50. So value of H is 50. Cancel this. 2 1 is 2 and 225 is 50. 70 plus 120 we get 190 into 25. The answer is 4750 square centimeter. Option D is the correct answer. 10th question, a swimming pool is in the shape of rhombus whose area is 33,750 square meter. If one of its diagonal is 150 meter, then its other diagonal is, so write the formula of area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2. They given one value of diagonal, we have to find the other value of diagonal, that is d2. So substitute the value of rhombus. 33750 is equal to half into, we know the value of diagonal 1, that is 150. We have to find the other one, that is d2. So cancel these values, 2 1 is 2, and while cancelling 150 we get 75. So d2 is equal to 33750 divided by 75. We get answer as 450 meter. Option C is the correct answer. 11th question. The height of the parallelogram shaped bridge whose area 500 square kilometer and base 25 kilometer is. We have to find the height of the parallelogram. So we know the area of parallelogram is B into H. They given area as 500, base as 25. We need to find height. So 500 divided by 25 equal to H. Cancel it by fifth table. 5 1 is 5 5 is 25 and 5 1 is 5. Remaining zeros. Then cancel again by fifth table. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10 and put the 0. H equal to 20 kilometer. Answer is option C. 12th question. Area of the parallelogram whose base is 18 centimeter and height is half of it. So they given base as 18 centimeter and height is half of it, means base divided by 2. So that write 18 divided by 2, we get 9. So height is 9 centimeter. We have to find the area of parallelogram. Parallelogram is equal to B into H, that is 18 into 9. We get 162 square centimeter. Answer is option A. 13th question. What happens to the area of the parallelogram if the base becomes height and height becomes base? In the question they given height is considered as base and base is considered as height. So H into B. We have to find out the result of this change. So put B for 1 and height as 2. While substituting the value of base and height, 1 into 2 we get 2, and here substitute the value of height and base, we get 2. So there is no change. So answer is option C, remains the same. 14th question. In a parallelogram, height and base are in the ratio 3:4. Area is 432 square centimeter, then its height is. They given us height and base ratio are 3:4. We consider it as 3x is to 4x. Then area of parallelogram is 432 square centimeter. We know the area, that is B into H equal to 432 square centimeter. B is 3x and H is 4x equal to 432. 4 3s are 12. 12 into x square equal to 432. Now x square equal to 432 divided by 12. Cancel it by second table. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 is 4. And 2 is 1 time. Remaining 1. 12. 2 into 6 is 12. Cancel it by sixth table. 6 1 is 6. 6 3 is 18. 6 6 is 36. So we get x square equal to 36. While taking the square root, we get the value of x as 6. Then substitute the value of x to find the value of height. They given the height ratio as 4 into x. So substitute the value of x here. 4 into 6, we get 24. H is equal to 24 centimeter. Answer is option D, 24 centimeter. Fill in the blanks. 15th question. If the parallel sides of a trapezium are 16 centimeter and 14 centimeter and the distance between the parallel side is 8 centimeter, then its area is. So parallel sides are A equal to 16 centimeter and B is equal to 14 centimeter. Then the distance between the parallel side is 8 centimeter, that is H. H is equal to 8 centimeter. We have to find the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into H. Substitute the values in the formula. We get half into A is 16 and B is 14 into H is 8. So we get half into 16 plus 14, 30 into 8. Cancel it by second table. 2 1 is 2. 2 15 is 30. So we get 15 into 8. Answer is 120 square centimeter. 16th question. Area of the rhombus is 21 square centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 7 centimeter, then the another diagonal is. So we have to find the value of another diagonal, that is D2. First write the formula of area of rhombus, that is half into D1 into D2. They given the area as 21 square centimeter, then half into D1 as 7 centimeter and we need to find D2. So keep D2 on one side and bring other values to the left hand side. 21 into 2 divided by 7. Cancel it by 7th table. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. So D2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Short answer questions. 17th one. The base of the parallelogram is 3/4 of its height. If the area is 243 square centimeter, find the base and height. See, base is given as 3/4 of its height. Then area of parallelogram formula is base into height. Area of parallelogram is 243 is equal to base is 3/4 into h into height. Then 243 is equal to 3/4 into h square. Keep h square here. So this side changes as 243 into 4/3. Cancel it by third table. 3 1 is 3. 3 8 is 24 and again 3 is there. 3 1 is 3. Then multiply 81 and 4, we get h square is equal to 324. While taking square root of 324, we get h is equal to 18 centimeter. We found the value of height. Now we are going to find what is base. Base equal to, already we know, 3/4 of height. So b is equal to 3/4 into, we know height as 18 centimeter. So cancel it by second table. 2 2 is 4 and 2 9 is 18. Multiply 3 and 9. B equal to, we get 27 divided by 2 centimeter. 18th question. If the diagonals of the rhombus are in the ratio 4:7 and the area is 504 square centimeter, find the length of the diagonals. They given the ratio of diagonals D1 and D2 is 4:7 and they given the area of rhombus is 504 square centimeter. So we know the formula, half into d1 into d2 is equal to 504. See, we write this ratio as 4x and 7x. Then substitute these values in d1 and d2. Half into d1 is 4x and d2 is 7x equal to 504. Half into 7 4s are 28 x square equal to 502. Cancel it by second table. 2 1 is 2 and 2 into 14 is 28. Then keep x here. 504 divided by 14. Cancel it by second table. 7 2 is 14. Then 2 2 is 4. Remaining 1 1 0, that is 2 5 is 10 5. Cancel 4 by second table, we get 2. Then again cancel it by seventh table. 7 1 is 7. 7 3 is 21. Remaining 4 42. 6 into 7 42. So that 6 into 7 42. So put 6 here. So value of x square is equal to 36. While taking the root, we get x equal to 6. Now substitute the value of x in the place of ratio of diagonals, so that we get 4 d1 equal to 4x. 4 into 6 we get 24 centimeter, and d2 is equal to 7x. 7 into 6 we get 42 centimeter. 19th question. The area of the trapezium is 368 square centimeter and the distance between the parallel sides is 16 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is of length 20 centimeter, find the length of the other side. They given the length of one parallel side, we have to find the length of other parallel side. So area of trapezium is equal to half into a plus b into h. They given the values of a, that is equal to 16 centimeter, 20 centimeter. We need to find what is b, and they given the height as 16 centimeter. Area of trapezium is 368 square centimeter. Then half into a is 20 centimeter. We need to find b plus b into height is 16 centimeter. Cancel it by second table. 2 1 is 2 and 2 8 is 16. So 368. Bring this 8 here. So 20 plus b. Cancel this by 8th table. 8 1 is 8. 8 4 is 32. Remaining 4 48. 8 6 are 48. So we get 46 equal to 20 plus b. Put b one side. While moving 20 there, it changes as negative, minus 20. B is equal to 26 centimeter. 20th question. A towel in the shape of isosceles trapezium whose parallel sides are 14 centimeter and 12 centimeter. The distance between them is 6 centimeter. Find the area of the towel. See, in the question they given the values of parallel side, that is a is equal to 14 centimeter and b is equal to 12 centimeter, and the distance between them is 6 centimeter, that is height h is equal to 6 centimeter. So we know the area formula. Area of trapezium is equal to half into a plus b into h. Substitute the values. Half into a is 14 and b is 12. Height is 6. So we get cancelled by second table. 2 1 is 2 and 2 3 is 6. 12 plus 14 we get 26 into 3. Multiply 26 and 3 we get 78 centimeter square.